And welcome back. Football is where we begin. After missing out on the title last year, Cavalier will be hoping to go one better when they square off with the Cibao FC of the Dominican Republic in the final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup, with the first leg match on Tuesday at the National Stadium starting at 8 p.m.
Cavalier are aiming to go where Harbourview and Portmore United have gone. They are the only Jamaican teams to win the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup, both doing it twice. But none of the two have been to back-to-back finals. That's what Cavalier are doing, but they must ditch the bridesmaid tag. The Jamaicans lost 3-0 on aggregate in 2023 to SC Robin Hood of Suriname.
Sky's the limit. I wouldn't mind to go in the club championship of the world. That's where we can go if we get far in this competition.
According to Coach Rudolph Speed, what they've done with Cavalier to be where they are now is nothing short of a miracle.
It's a fairy tale story that we took Cavalier from the Cibao, which is like 5 stories down in terms of level of clubs, and brought it to be the number 1 team in Jamaica and second in the Caribbean, and we now have a chance to go first. So it's really a good feeling, like when a plan comes to everybody's happy.
For Cavalier reaching this far, it says something good about the club's development.
I think it's a camaraderie amongst us, especially we are youth, We love one another, work together well, everything. So I think that's one of the main things.
And it's for those reasons why Coach Rudolph Speed is banking on the club getting the job done.
It used to be the old saying that, kids can't win anything. We have proven that wrong. And it's not like it's a flash in the pan. We have been there now for a lot of years. And a lot of the time when Jamaican teams falter in this particular competition, Cavaliers still keep going.
For striker Dwayne Atkinson, the mission is clear: get the job done on home soil.
Starting at home, I'm looking for a clean sheet as well, because going to Dominican Republic, we have to go with a mentality, that we try to keep a spirit and try to be safe and don't make any goals, because they can say it's a great thing. So
Atkinson has so far scored 5 goals and 4 assists in the competition.
Well, as you can see, it's my best season so far, starting off strong, but now I have a pretty little injury in my hamstring, but I'm working on it. So I have to just keep focused on myself, prepare and ready for that game.
And winning the title will not only be for Cavalier, but for Jamaica.
It would be a really proud moment for us and for the country as well to win it, and that's what we're going for.
By virtue of reaching the final, Cavalier have qualified for the CONCACAF Club Championship in 2025. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.